A bank client presents a document to a notary public for notarization. The document concerns a complex lease agreement for a commercial property, but the client does not have valid identification. The notary is unsure of the legal implications of the document and whether notarization is permissible without ID. What should the notary do in this situation? To answer this question, let's have a look at section 182.5 from the Notary Public License Law booklet entitled Satisfactory Evidence of Identity, and it states here in subsection A, for any individual signing a document who makes a personal appearance before a notary public, including but not limited to any principal seeking a notarial act, and any witness thereto, the notary must obtain satisfactory evidence of the identity of each of such individual that complies with the requirements of this part. So with this in mind, let's have a look at our four choices to determine the solution. Choice A states, proceed with notarization as long as the document appears to be official. Well, this is incorrect because whether or not the document is official, the notary must still obtain satisfactory evidence of identity, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states, consult with a more experienced notary or legal counsel for guidance. This as well is incorrect, and in fact there is no need to consult with anyone here because the law is very clear that in the absence of valid identification, the notary public may not proceed with the notarization. Therefore, choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states, refuse to notarize due to lack of proper identification. Indeed, this seems to be the correct solution, but before we mark it as such, let's have a look at choice D just to be certain. Choice D states, notarize the document and later verify its legal status. This as well is incorrect because, again, as we said before, the law is very clear that the notary must obtain satisfactory evidence of identity before notarizing the document, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution, which indeed leaves choice C, refuse to notarize due to lack of proper identification, as the correct solution.